Welcome to the battery care and maintenance video. Today we'll go through each step. Let's get started. On every machine cabinet, we have put on a decal that provides information and steps for battery monitoring as a quick reminder for both flooded and AGM batteries. Today we will be using our battery maintenance checklist available on our website or from our reminder emails. From there, you will need to conduct a voltage reading as seen on the controller, then mark down on checklist. Next, you will power down the machine. Inside the cabinet and on fuse cover, you have details that entail our fuses. You have 2 backup fuses and 2 main power fuses. Today, we will disconnect fuse 5 amp fuse from position 2 as we will be working with the batteries. Now let's go ahead and open that battery box up and check that the terminals are clear of corrosion, which will look like a white, green, or blue precipitate. This can build up around the connection terminal points. If buildup appears, use battery cleaner or baking soda to neutralize the acidic precipitate, hose down, or use a bottle of distilled water. Be advised, using a pressure washer could lead to an accidental spraying of corrosive material. Please use cautiously. Once terminals are clear, it is important to spray anti-corrosive. Now in your maintenance checklist, go ahead and check off terminals, clear of corrosion, and spray with anti-corrosive. Proper PPE will need to be worn. Oversized gloves and face shield. Let's go ahead and pop off speed caps and flip them upside down to prevent spillage. Ensure to have paper towel or a rag at hand if needed. You should see water refracting, and as seen, it is topped off 1/8 of an inch above the plates. If water levels are below that, you will need to top up using distilled water. Check off water levels 1/8 above plates off your checklist. Next, we will ensure that the battery box hinge is greased up. This battery box has already been greased up and is ready to go. If grease is applied, make sure to open and close the battery box to allow grease to spread. Go ahead and check off battery box hinges greased off the checklist. Now ensure that terminal nuts are secured. You will need a 1/2-inch socket wrench with an extender. For additional safety, wrap the wrench with electrical tape. The nuts should be torqued up to 8 foot-pounds. Once completed, check it off the list. Let's make sure that the battery hold down is secure. For this next step, we will be checking the relevant density of water levels with a hydrometer. Go ahead and remove caps and make sure the body of hydrometer is displaced in the green zone. You should get a measure of reading sitting at 1.625. These look great. Now safely dispense water back inside and secure the top cap. Make sure the battery box is closed and locked to prevent unauthorized activity. There is an external charging cable located at the base of the cabinet where you are safely able to connect to a 120-volt source. It is very important to charge batteries for 24 to 48 hours to maintain battery life and cycles. Once complete, reconnect fuse 5 amp fuse from position 2 back into place and check off anything left from the maintenance checklist. It's that easy. Thank you for watching.